Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is the spring entryway refresh collaboration. So I'm going to decorate my little fireplace. So first thing I want to do, I want to polish it. So that's the first thing that I want to do. Guys, I have this little fireplace for so long. Very old, but it has served me his purpose. And she does work. I just don't have any use for it here because I don't have any plugs here. Surprisingly, I don't even have a plug in the back. Anyway, while I'm here, let me... Even though I did this last week. So, all right. So I want to start by saying this is an open collaboration called the Springway Entryway Refresh. This is hosting is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor at Home with Lisa, myself, Deborah Home Living, and our co-hosts are Sandy Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, and Debbie Bubbles. Guys, and if there are any other co-hosts that I forgot to mention, I will place everybody in the description box below. So I want to start by putting a runner. I want to start by putting this runner. I'm using a white runner. Just a simple, nice white runner. Make sure it's even on both sides. Okay. I want to start by putting one of my garlands. I'm going to use my spring garland. I was going to use roses, but I want to use a garland. I put two garlands together. One is this little yellow roses and the one with the spring flowers. So I want to place them here. I hope you guys are doing okay. Guys, I apologize about my back being towards you. So let's see. Yes, I want these two to be together because I'm decorating for spring, even though Easter is spring, but I'm not going to be using a lot of Easter items. I'm just going to use one item. Yeah, like so. And yes, guys, I'm going to look at that. This one fell out of my garland. I will put them back in the garland once I'm done with the video. To that, I want to add some of my, I said one thing. Sorry, I apologize. I'm going to be adding my egg collection. So I'm going to go grab that. Before I start adding my egg collection, I want to add my Easter little tree here in the center. Then I'm going to open all the branches. And I will add my little eggs from the Dollar Tree. So that's what I want to do. Guys, just have in mind that everything you see in this Decor is everything is thrifted, except of course the eggs from the Dollar Tree, which I have here. I'm going to put that on the little tree, and then I'm going to bring you guys back because that's going to take me a few minutes. It's looking nice, guys. I'm going to bring you guys close to show you a little closer. So, okay, I think I got them all. I'm missing one. Let's do that. I try not to put the same colors together. So, let's do, oh, that's an orange one. This green one here. Yeah, guys, I've thrifted this little tree with another tree at the Goodwill. Oops, missing another one here. And another one over here. Anywhere else? Oh, I'm missing one over here. Okay, that one. All right, guys. I also have some Luke's eggs. They look speckled eggs. They look so real. So I want to put some here at the bottom of the pot. Or maybe I have this little guy in a basket, so I want to put him at the bottom. I think I want to move one of these eggs and put them right there. And put some eggs around it. Yep. And then this one here is a salt and pepper shaker. I only have one. It's a little bunny, so I want to place him here around the flowers. Yeah. Yes. All right, guys, so that's my little tree. And now I want to place this is from my collection. You guys can see it opens up and it has a little kitty on the inside, and it's a music box. So I want to place him right here. Okay. And then I have my little trinket boxes. So I want to place this one just close around the little tree. Because I want to make sure they are in a safe place. I don't want them to fall or anything. I do have more eggs, but I think that's plenty of eggs. And to that, guys, I want to add 2 flower arrangements. They're simple. And also have egg picks in them and butterflies. And I'm using my white milk glass vase. You guys see they are not the same, but they're both white. So I want to place that here. Guys, can you believe I was still having I think I want to change the pigs like that. I could change the color, bring it to the opposite, because this one I want the eggs to show, and I didn't realize that I put them with the same color flowers. So blue over here, and then I will put the pink ones over here. Can you believe it? To this morning I still have Valentine's stuff here on my entryway. Now I want to add my 2 candle holders right here. So when I put my candles and I light them up, you guys can actually see the, hold on, let me turn this one. You guys can actually see my little display. And I'm going to be using Dollar Tree. Sorry guys about my back. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree little battery operated lights. So like that, I think that's good enough stuff in there because my mantle is small. It looks a little crowded, but it looks spring. And yes, it is a spring refresh. So with that being said, let me add my tea light candles. I'm using the little battery operated candles. I want to thank the host and the co-host for hosting with us. So guys, go to Anna's community tab and check out her community tab. She has more open collaboration for everybody to join in. I have these pics of eggs, so I want to add them here in the garland. Even though I already have enough eggs, but I want to add this. I don't want to cut the garland, the little sticks, because I use this on flower arrangements for now. But for now, I'm going to use them here. So, yeah, guys. Go check out Anna, the Grace Life DIY community tab. She have all the her calendar is in there. Now, I don't know. I'm going to put something else and you guys gonna tell me in your messages. When you guys leave me a comment, tell me which one looks the best, okay? So I'm gonna come right back with you guys. All right, guys, action number 1. This is Peter Rabbit. So if I put him here, see he won't stand, I have to lean him back. I will have to lean him back, it take too much space. Or I could put him here, tuck them in the corner. I don't know what you guys think about that option. And the second option is my DIY bunny that I recorded. I could place him right here in front of the fireplace. So which option do you guys think should look better? You guys let me know. But for now, I'm going to leave both of them like that. I'm going to turn off the main light so you guys can see the twinkle lights. And also I want to show you guys another display that I did. So if you guys didn't see this display, I will link it on the top card, either here or here. All right, guys, let me take you out of the tripod. Sorry about the movement. All right, guys, let me bring you guys close. So this is what my display looks like. Let me turn on the lights so you guys can see with the lights on. Okay, this is what my display looks like. I think it turned out beautiful. Very short time to put it together. There is my egg collection. And of course, I have my candle holders with the tea light candles. There's my DIY bunny. I did this. This is cardboard. And if you guys didn't see this collaboration, how I made it, I'm going to link it on the above card. And there's my Peter Rabbit bunny. And then this is the one that I did yesterday. Here under my hutch. There's my other little Easter tree that I used all the little, you know, to put on this one. So now, guys, let me turn off the light. Here are the little lights. And everything in here is drifted. And some of the things, like, for example, this bird was found on the side of the road with this one and a table that says free stuff. So what do you guys think? Tell me how it looks. I think I did a good job. Okay, guys, there is my entryway. This is my entryway refresh. So, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.